Title: Is Temu legit? Here's what you need to know. Voiceover script: wondering if Temu is legit or just another scam? Let's break it down. Yes, Temu is a legitimate online marketplace owned by PDD Holdings, the same parent company behind Pinduoduo, one of China's biggest e-commerce platforms. Temu offers incredibly low prices because many items ship directly from manufacturers overseas, cutting out middlemen. But there are a few things to keep in mind. Shipping can take longer than usual, and some products may not match premium quality standards you'd expect from local stores. The good news is, Temu is safe for payments. It uses secure checkout methods like credit cards, PayPal, Apple Pay, and it has buyer protection. If your order doesn't arrive or isn't as described, you can usually get a refund. So, is Temu legit? Yes, it's a real and safe platform. Just shop wisely, read product reviews, and be patient with shipping times. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more online shopping tips.